Here we go. Oh! Oh, that looks bang in front as well. His head's all over the shot. Oh, that's a good shot. That's the sort. Oh, that's brilliant. That is really, really good. That's a good shot. That is a really good.
Short, got hold of that. That's nicely played from Stoinis. Power. Slightly short. On the back foot. Cries of catch, but I think it's going to fall. Oh, that's perfectly picked up. That is a fine stroke. Gets that away back at a square. That's 4 runs. That's a rise of catch it, and it is caught.
Slight shimmy in the edge. Has been taken comfortably. Down the wicket, just there. He takes the opportunity. A one. Down the wicket. Big shot again.
This will go for 4. This will go for 6, actually.
Oh, that's a fine shot. That is superb. That's gone for 6. That is so well played. That's 50 up for Alex Carey. Got him. That is a big wicket. Just toe. Rise of catch it. It's in the air. It's gone a long way though. Oh, it's out. Azam has taken a very good catch. That's a beautiful shot. That is amazing from Abbott. Smash that for 4. Gone. He's got another one. Afraid he's picked up.
Pulled him. He's cleaned him up. That will be his 3rd. Mohammad Wasim is on fire.
There's that length delivery. Little chip. First time really.
Down the track. That is a huge hit from Sean Abbott. Full and straight. Does he pierce the gap? Yes, he does. Another gorgeous drive. Yes, it is. Gives it a whack. Finds the field. Through the gap. Chase is on. Straight to the man.
It was a different day for Australia with the bat after with Shaheen, Rauf and Wasim Jr. all amongst wickets. 3 wickets.
Zaman's not going to stay quiet for too long. Neither's the crowd. Oh, that's through. That's through and it's gone for 4. That's an Ellis again. Oh, inside edge. Ellis thought he was in the game. Leading edge. Cries of catch it. Solid shot. Solid shot down the ground. That's 4.
Oh, at that speed. I mean, just how. Just a flick. And he's going to race away. Oh, that's clever. Clever and. Big shot out into the leg side. Picks the gap perfectly again.
He pulls it well into the fence. There it is. Pakistan captain leads by example and lets his bat do the talking. Another half century.
Over the top. Extraordinary. Brilliant. That's the 50. Downtown and long.
Things possible for both of them. That is timed beautifully.
Again, that trademark little flick leg side.
Oh, how's that for timing? Just a punch off the back foot. Oh, just
So is the crowd. Has a swing at that. There it is. The diamond continues to shine, and the brilliance of the man lights up the stage once again. It is that man on screen, Babar Azam, punches the sky. There it is, with a mighty hit as they steer Pakistan to a commanding series win. The first home series win against Australia since 1988. What a